Good afternoon and welcome to the next edition of Coweta Connections Online. My name is Roger Coleman. I'm the city manager here in Coweta, and today we're at the Coweta Fire Station to introduce the community to our new fire marshal, Mr. Jeff Waller.
How you doing, Roger?
All right.
So a fire marshal has several different functions for his job. Everything from fire prevention, where like we go to schools, teach kids what to do in case there's a fire. We also do fire inspections, so inspect businesses for life safety and fire-related issues. We do plans examinations for new businesses being built for the same things, fire and life safety issues. And we also do fire investigations. So if there's a fire, we go out and we try to determine the cause and origin of a fire. A fire marshal job pertains to the safety of the community by making sure that our businesses are doing the proper things needed to make them safer for the people that are going into the businesses. For instance, we check to make sure the exit signs and the emergency lighting and everything works at a business in case there's a problem and the power goes out, people will be able to find their way out. We check for the hood suppression systems on the cooking equipment in case there's a grease fire, that they're working properly, things of that nature. People can contact my office for help. We do everything from teach CPR and stop the bleed classes, how to work an AED, how to use fire extinguishers. We can help larger businesses with maybe their emergency plans on exit routes out of the buildings, things like that. Coweta needs a fire marshal because we are a growing community, getting several new businesses in all the time. The population itself is growing with the residential construction. So with more people becomes the possibility of more accidents, and my job is to try to limit those. To be a fire marshal, I've been here at the City of Coweta Fire Department for about 14 years. Was offered the opportunity to promote this position. You just take certain courses like fire inspector courses, fire investigation courses, to have the knowledge to go out and perform the job duties. So also we'd like to make sure everybody remembers to check the batteries in their smoke alarms. Typically people do things like setting them, redoing them whenever you reset your clock. So spring forward and your fallback on our daylight savings time is a good time to change out your smoke alarm batteries. You want them near sleeping quarters, in each sleeping quarters, and near them in the hallway to make sure that it alerts you if a problem happens of an evening. Carbon monoxide detectors are really important now. They're cheap, so it's good insurance because carbon monoxide is odorless, so it's good to have an alarm for that also.